In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change your Twitter username. Changing your Twitter username is crucial for maintaining a consistent and relevant online presence. Whether it's for personal rebranding, enhancing privacy, or aligning with professional goals, a username change can significantly impact how you're perceived on the platform. To do this, simply head into your X account. On your home page, tap on your profile icon and head into your settings and privacy right here. On the settings page, select on this first option of your account. Then proceed on account information right here. You will see the option of username. Just head into it and simply write in the new username of your own choice. That's how easy it is to change your Twitter username. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.